How many millions of dollars of Lake Tahoe property can we see in one day? Let's find out. Wow, look at this. Running out of time. I'm Diane Cohn, Director of Engagement at Chase International, and today we're hosting our 23rd annual Lake Tahoe Luxury Estates Tour. We do this event every year, showcasing some of the most amazing properties around the lake. Today we have 30 extraordinary homes open for this invitation-only event, and there is no way that I can see them all. So my strategy is to see as many of the most expensive ones I can before the day is over. Let's do this. First house on the tour.
The best thing about this home is that it has so much individual style. You would love it.
The best and most amazing thing about this house is the hand-carved teak staircase. It's absolutely beautiful.
The next one is number 2, 218 Beach Drive. Next house, still in the Tahoe Keys. Oh, I should have worn sneakers today.
The most amazing thing about this property is the wide open water location. The most amazing thing about this house is the location. You are right here in the center and you're on your way out to the center of the lake.
Yeah, this house, totally my favorite so far. Shower for 2.
What I think the most beautiful thing is about this house is the views. You have a beautiful view of Mount Tahoe right out the back here, and it's a view that can't be beat.
The most amazing thing about this property, obviously, is the west-facing view. You get to see all the beautiful sunsets.
The most amazing thing about this house is the location and the view you get every single day while you enjoy this house.
I think those were the last 2 houses in South Lake Tahoe, and so now we're going up the East Shore. And Ted, what time is it? It's like 11:30. I think we're running kind of late. I don't know if we're gonna make lunch in Glenbrook, but we'll try. Okay, sadly, one house was canceled off the tour, but I still saw it, 6.85 million. I'm gonna count it.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Definitely the private lot and the lakefront scenery. Plus the house is turnkey, you don't have to do a thing to it. It's perfect.
Okay, I'm actually not sure what house we're at right now, but it looks amazing, so we're gonna go check it out.
The most amazing part about this house is that you have 2 acres on Lake Tahoe with 128 feet of lake frontage.
So this lot on Highway 50, we drove right by it, we saw it, we didn't know we were seeing it, so it counts. $2,450,000. How's it going?
Fine, we're great. We're going to our 5th house and having lunch.
So we are at the Pines. The Pines is $35 million, and this is where lunch is.
I think the most exciting thing here at Pine Estates is absolutely hands down the views. There's not a place on Tahoe that I can find that has views like this. Right off the beach, have your own private dock, it's amazing.
Nope. Oh my gosh, they're so good. Okay, cozy reading nook, totally my favorite.
The most amazing thing about this property is all of it. It is absolutely spectacular. There is something for everyone on this property. It's your own personal Tahoe resort.
Okay, that house was amazing, but it totally put us behind schedule. And we have to walk up this huge hill to get to our car. I think we killed an hour here. So I don't know, I think we have what, 10 or 11 more houses to see? I'm gonna try to hitchhike. I'm hoping a car goes by. All right, this is awesome, we had a ride. Say hi to the vlog.
The most amazing part of this home is our lakeside dock and deck. It holds about 40 to 50 people. We have a 30-foot floating pier and 2 deck buoys, barbecue, refrigerator, music, lighting. It's incredible, one of a kind.
The most amazing thing about this house is the view. It is absolutely stunning. I have not seen another view in the area like this one.
Oh my gosh, wow, that was my favorite house ever. Like, the views were incredible. I've never seen a better view. They're stunning. The best thing about 18 Golf Links Road here in Glenbrook is the proximity to the lake. You've got steps to the beach, you've got your own beach right in front of you, and you can't beat the views. Wow. You can just imagine the kids walking through the grass and rolling down the hill, and there they are. Charlene, say hi to the vlog.
Quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'olio brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, non più frai quei pennacchini.
The best thing about this property is its location. It's in the woods, it's in Glenbrook. It's a beautiful, expansive house.
All right, off to Incline. This is the David Coverdale estate. It's a hair salon.
The most amazing thing about this property would be the lower media room, which has so many unique features that you have to go in and see it for yourself so you can absorb the whole wow effect. The best thing about this house is the view of beautiful Lake Tahoe.
The second best thing about this house is there is an elevator. So although it is 3 levels, you are only 3 seconds away from the top floor.
Hello, Megan. That's good because we have...
You have to check out the Savoy Theatre round the corner. At the moment.
I'm going to tell you 3 of the most amazing things of this property. The privacy, because you're surrounded by open space. The panoramic lake view, no doubt, absolutely beautiful. And the over-the-top Egyptian contemporary home theater. Absolutely never seen anything like it.
Okay, so this is the last house. The estates tour is officially over. It's 4 o'clock. So how many millions did we see today? We saw 20 properties totaling $128,575,000 all in one day. Not too shabby. If you have questions about anything you saw today, put them in the comments below. And if you like this content, please subscribe.